everyone, welcome to Rusty's channel. Today I'll show you all my fidgets. So the first ones I'm going to show you all my poppets. So I'll get all my poppets for you. I have so many poppets. So I have, okay, so I have all these poppets. So let's start with the squares. I have 4 ones. I have a purple one, another purple one, but this one's glow in the dark. Let's go try it out. Glow in the darks are amazing. Let's go. So I'm here. So put it on myself. Here's how it looks now. Give it some time. You can't really see it, but I see it like really well. Why did I not show? So that's how the glow in the dark poppet works. It glows in the dark, and you just saw that. So, and then this one. This is a rainbow one. And then this is a really good one, you know? It's a turquoise one. Next are my circles. I have 3. I have a orange. Wait, that happened on accident. I know how. And then I have a hexagon, and I think this is a lettuce. Comment down below what you think it is. And the heart. So the next one I'm going to be showing you are all my dimples. So, okay, so I have this dimple, oh, I forgot one poppet, my mini poppet. And this is a Batman poppet. It's a mini one. Dimple, where's my other dimple? Dimple, and yeah, I have 3 dimples. This triple dimple. Simple dimple, just a butterfly dimple. So yeah. Next, thing, and it's another dimple. And I actually want to show you guys something. So if your acupressuring just breaks, tear it apart. It's so satisfying. Don't throw it away. It just looks satisfying while you're doing it, but then it's broken, so yeah. And then I'm gonna move on to my infinity cubes. I have 2. I have these 2, a pink and a black. So yeah. Okay guys, that's it for now. Come back for part 2. Bye. Peace out.